Hello all, welcome to our Speed GK YouTube channel. We will be posting new videos on general knowledge on different subjects and areas every week. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us. What is the basic aim of lead bank scheme? Individual banks should adopt a particular district for intensive development. In which year lead bank scheme was finalized? 1969. One of the delivery channel for microfinance is SHG model. SHG means Self-Help Group. The Banking Ombudsman Scheme is introduced under which sections in Banking Regulation Act, 1949? Section 35A, which account is opened by the investor while registering with an investment broker? Demat or dematerialized account. In Negotiable Instruments Act, the check is covered under which section? Section 6. Which days are excluded in determining reasonable time for the purpose of payment of a negotiable instrument? Public holidays are excluded. What happens if in an instrument the amount undertaken or ordered to be paid is stated differently in figures and in words? The instrument is void due to uncertainty, which is the account maintained in foreign currency with an authorized dealer bank. Exchange earners foreign currency account, which committee mooted the idea of payments banks? Nachiket More Committee, what is the maximum amount of balance can be maintained an individual in payments bank? 2 lakhs rupees. When was Payment and Settlement Systems Act enacted? 2007. What is the maximum limit per transaction in NEFT? No such limit. What is the minimum amount of money that can be transferred through RTGS? 2 lakhs rupees. Which of committee recommended for Bharat Bill Payment System, BBPS? G. Padmanabhan Committee, 2013, under which act the banks, which are desirous of operating as Bharat Bill Payment Operating Units, BBPO, need to get the approval? Payment and Settlement Systems Act, 2007, which organization will authorize the Bharat Bill Payment Operating Units in the BBPS? RBI. What is the full form of BHIM? Bharat Interface for Money. Which organization developed BHIM application? National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. What is the full form of UPI? Unified Payment Interface. When was UPI service launched? 2016. Which bank has launched mVisa, a mobile-based payment solution? SBI. What is the maximum duration for which term money can be lent borrowed? 1 year. Which of the following is the regulator of the credit rating agencies in India? SCBI. Which among the following NBFC are not excluded from the Ombudsman Scheme for NBFC? Deposit accepting NBFCs. Non-banking financial companies, NBFC, are registered under which Act? Companies Act 1956, under the Ombudsman Scheme for NBFC. Who is the appellate authority for handling the complaints? RBI Deputy Governor. Which microfinance institutions are now Universal Bank? Bandhan Financial Services Private Ltd. How much % of foreign investment is allowed for NBFC? 100%. Formal merchant banking activity in India was originated in which year? 1969. In India, merchant banking activity was originated with the merchant banking division set up by which of the following? Grind Lace Bank. State Bank of India started merchant banking in which year? 1973. Who played vital role in setting up of National Housing Bank? C. Rangarajan. National Housing Bank is wholly owned by which institution? RBI. National Housing Bank was set up on 9 July 1988 under which among the following acts? National Housing Bank Act 1987. What is the meaning of the term repayment capacity? It is based on borrower's monthly disposable income, assets etc. What is the full form of BPLR? Benchmark Prime Lending Rate. What is the full form of EMI? Equated Monthly Installment. What is the full form of NAV? Net Asset Value. Which bank launched the first mutual fund in India? Canara Bank. Which Indian public sector bank has the largest number of branches in foreign countries? SBI, 52 branches as on 2022. Which Indian public sector bank has the second largest number of branches in foreign countries? Bank of Baroda, 50 branches as on 2022. The only merger of two public sector banks took place between which banks? Punjab National Bank and New Bank of India. After State Bank of India, which of the following banks has the largest number of offices? Punjab National Bank. The reserves held by commercial banks over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI are called excess reserves, which is the country's third largest private sector lender whose name has been officially changed to the Axis Bank Limited. UTI Bank, which is the apex institution which handles refinance for agriculture and rural development in India. NABARD, in which denomination were India's first bimetallic coins issued in the year 2009? 10 rupees, which is the act related to the recovery of bad loans? SARFAESI Act 2002. What is green banking? Financing of environmental friendly projects. Which bank launched India's first internationally listed certified green bond to finance climate change solutions around the world at London Stock Exchange on 6 June 2016? Corporation Bank. Where is the headquarters of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Manila. When was the World Bank founded? 1944. Where is the headquarters of World Bank? Washington, D.C. The India arm of Netherlands-based Home Credit Group has tied up with which bank for joint lending to tap the large unbanked customer base across the country? Karur Vyasya Bank. Which bank has become the first Indian bank to link up with China's National Advance Payment System, CNAPS? SBI. Which bank launched UCash, a digital product that will enable customers to withdraw money from ATMs through mobile banking without using a debit card? UCO Bank, which is the first Indian private sector bank set up a branch in China? Axis Bank. What is the name of the common digital currency launched by the central banks of the UAE and Saudi Arabia? ABER. The bank which has the highest number of branches in the world is SBI. The Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, BIFR, came into existence in 1987. Who is the regulatory authority for regional rural banks? RBL and NABARD. The transfer of a loan from one party to another is called assignment, which is the principal financial institution for promotion, financing and development of small-scale industries in the country. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, under which act was Exim Bank founded? Export-Import Bank of India Act, 1981. What is making the security of immovable property available as a cover for a home loan by the borrower called mortgage? Currency note containing political slogan is not a legal tender as per Legal Tender, Inscribed Notes, Act, 1964. First Rupee ATM and Micro ATM card with Aadhaar number was issued by which bank? Bank of India. World's first Bitcoin ATM is located in which country? Canada. A form of currency in which the value of the currency comes from the material of which it is made is called commodity money. What is the financial year cycle of Reserve Bank of India? From 1st July to 30th June. What was the inspiration for the Reserve Bank of India's logo? East India Company double mohur, largest shareholder, in percentage shareholding, of any nationalized bank is? Government of India, which is the first all-women bank of India? Bharatiya Mahila Bank, which was the first private bank in India? UTI Bank, 2nd April 1994. Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.